Hello kids, today we enjoyed the story of Ant and the Grasshopper. Today Vishali ma'am has done few worksheets for you, which with the help of your mama papa you will make it and try to do it. It's a simple worksheet which says help the ant find the food. So here is the ant and you have to take a sketch pen or a crayon and see how the ant will reach the food. So if you go this side, it's closed. So where we have to go? We have to take a path which is open and get the food. So this is a maze, simple maze where the ant will find its food. Okay, one worksheet is this. Another thing which you have to do is you have to make a grasshopper and an ant. So you can cut and paste it and make it, or you can draw it and put it on the popsicle stick. Okay, and you can have the ant and grasshopper ready with you. And as you have already listened to the story, you try to narrate the story to your parents. It will help you increase your vocabulary. It will help you know new words, and it is a great thing to improve your vocabulary skills and do it, dramatize it, so it increases your confidence, and it's really great tool for your learning process. Okay, so do this, make a grasshopper, make a ant, and tell a story to your grandpa, grandma and mama papa, and to your brother and sister. So here you have already gone through the story. Now we will do some physical activities. Hello kids, take two baskets, one which we will keep it inverted and it will be a ant hill. Okay, so you have to be an ant and you have to collect some food packets, anything which mama has with her, biscuit packets, Maggi packet, any packet, and keep it in a basket and put the basket away from the ant hill. So as you know how the ant is working, in the similar way we will be acting as an ant. And here you will learn how we do left, right, left and march past, the way the ant do march and do their work sincerely. So this is how you do. We will march left, right, left. So I will show it to you and you will do it. Okay. So once you will go and mama will say pick up a biscuit packet. So you will pick up a biscuit packet and bring it back to the ant hill. And you have to march it like this. Left, right, left. Left, right, left. And mama says biscuit packet. So you will pick up a biscuit packet and go left, right, left and put it near the ant hill. In this way you will be learning the march past and you will be marching and getting the food packets. This is one physical exercise. Now I will tell you the next one. Take few A4 sheets of different colors and take more of green color. So now we will act as a grasshopper, and the grasshopper will jump only on the green paper. So we have already put the papers in near each one, and only on the green papers the grasshopper has to jump. So now you are imitating as a grasshopper and you have to go hop only on the green papers. So hop goes the grasshopper on all the green papers. Okay, so enjoy hopping, enjoy marching. Thank you kids, have a great day.